Ever wondered how to tackle chest congestion effectively? Explore Integrative Therapeutics, Muca Clear OTC, a non-drowsy guaifenesin expectorant. This formula is designed to loosen phlegm and thin bronchial secretions, clearing passageways of stubborn mucus. Wondering how it works? Muca Clear OTC, with its vegan formula, utilizes guaifenesin as the active ingredient, making coughs more productive by loosening excess phlegm caused by bronchial irritations. Say goodbye to chest congestion with this non-drowsy solution. Convenient tablet dosing makes it hassle-free for adults and children ages 6 and up. For exclusive access to catalogs and patient perks, visit naturaldoctortips.com. Discover a pathway to clearer, easier breathing and a healthier you with Muca Clear OTC.